In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate emails with Monday.com. We'll connect Gmail to a board so emails send automatically when your workflow triggers them. Start on your Monday.com home. If you're not already signed in, log in so you land on the main dashboard. From the left sidebar, open an existing board or project you want to connect to email. I'm using a simple to-do list board for this demo, but any board that fits your process will work. Inside the board, look for the Integrate option near the top. This opens the Integration Center, where apps connect to your workspace. In the search bar, type Gmail, then select Gmail from the results. You'll see a set of ready-made templates that describe what the automation will do, like sending an email when a new item is created or when a status changes. Click the template that best matches your goal. You'll be able to fine-tune the details right after you choose it. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. Click your Gmail account to sign in and grant access. This permission allows Monday.com to send messages through Gmail when the automation runs. Use the account that should own the outgoing messages for this board, and if your organization manages Google accounts, make sure you have the proper authorization to connect. You'll now see the automation recipe with editable fields. Click on Email to open the configuration. This is where you set the subject, the recipients, and the message body. You can also personalize the email with data from your board, so details like an item name or a status appear in the message. Personalization helps keep recipients informed without extra manual work. Type in a title and a description, such as new item for the title and sample for the description. This demonstrates how information from your board can flow into the email or the item being created, depending on the template. Keep titles clear and consistent so people immediately understand the purpose, and write descriptions that are short but meaningful. You'll also see a field to choose who is responsible for the item or notification. Click on the Someone field to set the owner. If you're managing the workflow yourself, choose Me. If another teammate should receive or own the communication, select that person from the list. Assigning the right owner helps with follow-up and makes accountability visible on the board. When your settings look correct, click Create Automation to save and activate the recipe on your board. Your selections are now stored, and the integration will run the next time your trigger condition occurs. If you need to pause the behavior without removing it, you can toggle the automation on or off at any time. This is useful while you finalize wording, adjust timing, or make incremental changes to your process. When you're done, close the setup window by clicking the X. At this point, Gmail and Monday.com are connected for this board using the template you configured. You can return to the Integration Center at any time to review the setup, update fields, or switch to a different template if your workflow evolves. That's it. You've connected Gmail with Monday.com, configured the email content, assigned the right owner, and activated the automation. From here, your board can send timely, consistent messages automatically, reducing manual effort and keeping your team and stakeholders informed as work moves forward.